Our Alaska cruise treated us to one of nature's true spectacles when we witnessed the Hubbard Glacier carving into Disenchantment Bay. Alaska cruises typically either spend a whole day scenic cruising in Glacier Bay National Park or a half day scenic cruising up in Disenchantment Bay to witness the Hubbard Glacier. Our experience at the Hubbard Glacier was a truly magical one, and it started with a fabulous sunrise as we sailed up the northwest American coast. As we sailed through Yakutat Bay into Disenchantment Bay, the sheer size and scale of the glacier became apparent. At 76 miles long and in places 1200 foot deep, the glacier is nicknamed the Galloping Glacier by some because of the speed at which it flows, which also means that visitors are more likely to see it carve. And as you arrive in Disenchantment Bay, you quickly realise that there are two glaciers here to experience. Valerie Glacier emerges from your left, and the Hubbard Glacier is immediately in front of you. But it's best to take advantage of all the viewpoints from around the ship so you get the full near 360 panorama. You can hear the glacier creak, groan and rumble as it moves, and it makes a sound a lot like thunder when it calves. As an optional paid excursion, you could take one of the tender boats to get a close-up view of the glacier. However, spaces were limited and it was quite pricey. We opted to stay on the ship and were very surprised at how close to the glacier we actually got. Also, as icebergs would occasionally emerge from under the water surface, we were glad to be on the large ship and not a small tender boat. We were actually in the bay for nearly 3 hours, but it felt a lot quicker than that, and we were sailing away far too soon, and if we're lucky enough to ever come back to Alaska, we'll make sure we do the full day in Glacier Bay.